are strong.
Ha ha ha.
Once upon a time, across the sparkling blue sea, there lived a brave and cheerful pirate named Captain Irwin. He had a big red hat, a strong ship, and a heart full of curiosity. He had one big dream to find the golden treasures of the sounds. But wait,
Gold coin.
I need more. Let's find the treasure box. Where is the treasure box? Wow. What is this? You saw? Yes. Here is the treasure box. Wow. Good sound. Which sound I will choose? I will choose you sound. Ha 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 ha. I will choose you sound. Hey, look to the boy. Are you ready to find treasure? Yes, yes, wow, scroll. We have to do it. We have to read the scroll. Tell me the sound of letter U. Let's read it and find the treasure. I am soft and round it with jam. Who I am? I have four wheels. I am big and yellow. Carry many clothes. Or students to school go. I go nice and slow. Who am I? This is bus. You drink coffee like tea in me, but I am not a cup. Who am I? This is Agamag. You do different. You go fast and speed. The answer is Run. I shine bright and give you light. Am I? Sun. I am the baby of lion. Oh, it's a cup. You didn't harm me when you sip some tea, milk, coffee. It's a cup. So, my friend, are you enjoying this stage activity? With this activity, we have learned new sound words.